Today we are starting chapter first, financial statement of non-for-profit organization. Non-for-profit organization कौन से होते हैं? Non-for-profit organization are those organizations which is set up for the welfare of the society. That purpose not to earn the profit. For example, schools, college, public hospital, literacy societies, sports club, art club, cultural club, etc. Fund required for the activities of not-for-profit organization are normally contributed by its member, trustees, as a donation, membership fees and subscription. Fund received by a non-for-profit organization may be donation, membership fees, entrance fees, subscription, government grant or institutional grant. Characteristic or features of not-for-profit organization. Entity. Entity means होता है economic unit which perform the economic activities. So not-for-profit organization is a separate legal entity promoted by individuals or enterprises. Second, purpose. Their purpose is to further cultural and educational, religious, professional activities and rendering services to the people at large. Ownership. Ownership, it is a set up as a charitable society or trust. Thus, it is not owned by an individual or group of individuals but belongs to the societies. Profit is not the object of not-for-profit organization. Management. Not-for-profit organization is managed by the group of individuals that is called trustees or management committees. Funds. Funds is required for its operation are given by its member and donor as a entrance fees, membership fees, subscription, donation, etc. The financial statement is prepared by the non-for-profit organization at the end of the accounting period. The financial statement includes receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Today we are discussing receipts and payment account. Receipts and payment account is a summary of cash receipts and payment during the accounting period. Every receipt which is related to capital nature or revenue nature, whether it is related to current year, past year or future year, every receipt should be entered in the receipt side. That is the left side of the receipt and payment account. Every payment, whether related to current year or past year, future year, whether related to the capital nature or revenue nature, every payment should be recorded on the payment side. That is the right side of the receipt and payment account. At the end of the year, the balance is carried down. That is called the closing balance, cash in hand and cash at bank. The format is given in front of you. क्वेश्चन बिगिनिंग से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेके 4 क्वेश्चन साइड दिए हुए हैं, आप लोग लगाइएगा। कल डिस्कस करेंगे इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट।